With a diameter of 5 foot, I'm going to have real problems clamping these thick hand-cut veneers to this old tabletop when I reapply them. What if I can set up a bar above the tabletop and then use these veneer press clamps to push down on some cools above the veneers? A few minutes in SketchUp and the design's all worked out. I'm using commercial press screws, but you could cobble something together with some threaded rod and nuts and flanges. To protect the veneer and spread the pressure, I'll need to make some cools that are slightly smaller than the actual pieces of veneer. Voila! And with a lower beam attached, there you have it. Lightweight veneer press, long reach clamp with a mighty 32 inches capacity. Watch out for my new book Dovetails, coming out for Christmas 2024.